With WatchOS 6 now around the corner, I thought it would be a cool idea to revisit something. Now, WatchOS 6 unfortunately does not have its own dedicated Safari application to browse the web just yet. Maybe WatchOS 7, who knows. But there was a previous method that I used to always do on my Apple Watch that allowed me to manually activate and launch WebKit. This way I could simply browse the web on social media, make quick Google searches, and I want to go ahead and show you guys that this method still currently works for WatchOS 6. And if you're unfamiliar how to do this, the process is extremely easy. So although there are third-party applications for these social media platform clients, I personally don't like using this method because these applications require in-app purchases to access your DMs, and some of these require you to pay a one-time fee, and this method, well, it's free. And it's not limited at all. And they're also very buggy and they have really poor reviews. The only one I would recommend is, though, Chirp for Twitter. It's a Twitter client, which is really great because for some reason WebKit isn't supportive to work on Twitter. But this application gives you all the features. You can search for home, feed, trending, and everything else. Wristbook is another client social media platform application, but this one's dedicated for Facebook. It works really well. You're able to view your home feed as well as interact with some of the posts, but that's practically it. So a trick to set up WebKit on demand is really simple. There's two methods you could do this. Yes, you can technically text yourself, but the problem with this is when, depending on how many messages you get, if you want to go check on the link like a month later, you're going to have to scroll all the way down. I prefer doing the email method because you could easily flag this, so it's technically going to be bookmarked and it's always going to be at that one spot. You already know where to find it. So this is the method that I personally prefer using. And if you're unaware how to set this up, it's really easy. You just do this once and that's basically it. So first thing first, you need on your iPhone, let's just open up Safari. Let's demonstrate by just simply copy and pasting Google URL. Go to your email, create a new email, enter your email address so you can receive these URLs. Subject can be anything, I'm just going to do URLs, and simply paste the links. You continue doing this to all your social media platforms or other websites like Amazon you wish to visit on your watch. And once you put all the URLs you like to visit on your wrist, simply hit send. When you get that email, just simply flag it or bookmark or save it as VIP. And now when we go to our Apple Watch, just simply go on our mail application, go down to the flag, and you should be able to see the URL links right there. Now, I already previously signed in, but to log in, you use either dictation or scribbles to enter your username and password. I recommend changing your password to something simple, because if you use a lot of symbols in your password, it's very difficult to get scribbles to accurately get the symbol correct. But when you log in, you can simply change it back to your complex password, as long as you don't select kick other devices out. But once you're in, you stay logged in, and whenever you want to log on to like Instagram, for example, you see we have all the functions right there. You could view stories, you could check your DMs, you could like and interact with your live feed posts, you can check your activities as well as your profile. There's no limitation here, as you can see that basically this is the full IG, and the same can be said about Facebook. Facebook, you have all your features, everything right there and available. There's no requirement to pay for additional fee to have these features unlocked. Since we're clearly just using Safari, the WebKit integrated in the Apple Watch, there's no limitations really. Just when it comes to viewing videos, some videos don't play, but you can still swipe through everything. And to go back, simply just swipe left on the screen or 3D press. And just simply tap the top to close. Now let's go ahead and open up Google. I know a lot of people are going to be curious to know. No, if you search Google using the Google web browser, we could search for YouTube, but however, when you go onto that YouTube link and play a video, it doesn't support it. So now you cannot watch YouTube videos on your watch. But if you're just casually browsing or want to do a quick search, having a YouTube URL, we pretty much have the entire internet on our hands. So we could do quick research whenever we need to, if our phone isn't available. And yes, this also works if you have the LTE Apple Watch, as it will just quickly stream data by your LTE broadband. And if some things aren't loading right, you can always 3D press and select reader. But But there you guys have it. That is the quick overview of WatchOS 6 with its WebKit. Everything basically remained the same. So if you're curious how to get your Apple Watch that's running the latest WatchOS 6 to go ahead and browse the interweb, this is the method that I've been using and has been working for me very well. And just like you saw, this is also a really great way to go on social media to quickly check on your media feed if you want to do that. But anyway guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this content, like what I'm doing, want to help support the channel, be sure to get subscribed, like this video, share this video to a friend, family. It really does truly help out the channel. But that's gonna be it for this video. Take care and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.